Next on our list is international educational development. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. International educational development is gravely concerned that the right to self-determination has lost its prominent place at the Council in spite of promises made that it be part of Item 3. There have been several situations where failure to address the right of self-determination has resulted in genocide, such as that of the Tamil people in Sri Lanka. Likewise, the situation of the Hmong people in the Lao People's Democratic Republic demands immediate attention. We have pointed out many times that the Laotian authorities declared it would eradicate the Hmong people due to Hmong support for the United States in the Vietnam War. After 40-plus years of serious abuse at the hands of Laotian authorities, exercising the right to self-determination for the Hmong is the only viable solution. Their situation has worsened still further of late as Laotian officials vow to eradicate the Hmong people in 2018, ahead of any possible UN action. The situation is especially grim now in Phu Bai, where Laotian big guns engage in constant shelling. There is an urgent need to establish a safe haven in the Hmong area as a temporary measure to enable critically needed humanitarian aid and to enable communication between the Hmong people and others outside. Due to the primacy of the right in international law, we urge the Council to act both on the Hmong situation and on the need to restore self-determination to its rightful place by establishing a special agenda item for it. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. I now give the floor to Lao People's Democratic Republic, please.
Madam Vice President, at the outset, my delegation would like to associate itself to the ASEAN Joint Statement delivered by the distinguished representative of the Philippines. LAPDR, as a neighboring country, is closely following the development in Myanmar, including development in Rakhine State. We understand the concern of the international community on the humanitarian situation in Rakhine State, and we also understand the complexity of the issue. We are of the view that the recommendation of the Advisory Commission on Rakhine State, headed by former UN Secretary General Mr. Kofi Annan, are in the right direction. We commend the effort and commitment by the government of Myanmar to promote and protect human rights in the country and to a sustainable solution that would lead to peace, stability, and development for all communities between the Rakhine State. The LAPDR welcomed the agreement between Myanmar and Bangladesh on the arrangement on return of displaced persons from Rakhine State, including the TOR for the Joint Working Group on repatriation process. We believe that the situation in the Rakhine State should be solved through the constructive dialogue with the understanding of the context and background of the complex issue. In conclusion, we call on the international community to positively and constructively engage with the support Myanmar in her effort to address the humanitarian situation in Rakhine State. Thank you, Madam Vice President.
Human rights process, UN process, UN process, human rights issue. UN issue, human rights issue. Rights. Vào cái cho chạy cho kế vấn này nè, để phê mù chờ phê khó sự luật lý do mà giờ lý giả để phê sự thảo luật giả phê thảo phê khó là để tụi lo giờ yên để phê khó để phê mù đi cho phê mù chờ để cho kế và phê cho chạy mua để để phê cho bên gạo Human Rights Council gạo Human Rights Council 的特路扩重干。một đồ hồ chỉ bên một tờ trả đồ hồ chỉ là bên một bên trên nó được tiệt tà là ai hôm vào tua ya chém đó chuyện nhỏ bên nó chỉ cả usually Human Rights Council so cái decision here let's say the law decision for sure là nó chỉ cả là ta là cái là Human Rights Council mà li有运动的沙被中标呢也冇多少话那成绩哦。ที่อีเจียของ Human Rights Council จะไปแล้วมาสาเป็นมุดตั้งที่อ้อเจียหมดไปรู้ Department ละสมอน General Assembly หมดตัว Secretary General ไว้ตัวเธอของ UN เจียในรู้ Department 这好么 Rules Department 和 Security Council Department 的，我了记录对这个时候，这干的对人家多少，这么北路 Department 的老人家多少，北路 Department 的老呢来把你摸。老三方 case 我和 Human Rights Council 呢 make decision and 到去干的，到去走线的来慢慢好的叫 case 呢叫了么医生啦，我叫了修啊，那要不要加 Human Rights Council 和这几新疆到这需要我，那要老什么老些囤包，那叫了么好的叫了一边有说叫路修啊，本说大，要这落去学的。都这情况需要这些了啥都得work court 嘛，没 final 都到那，哎呀，这了需要好啊 ，human rights 好 human rights council 呢，我这大啥么到也不知道是，你那不是金融是，那这了北路 department 说了没事呢，北路 department 那么了没让呀，这了没 decision 的，那 decision 要你家你北东的谈的，那没 decision 这了。那 take 个叫 credential away， 那个 credential away 人也容易加，一下到完呢UN take 完呢，本波了 credential away， 也本波了因为这前年了么，我了这些看明了，我了他办到好的什么了多呢，中立啊，但是呢，老了多呢这，到了 take 本波了叫 credential away 这，因为加，那个，那都是。这个抓家的变成了么？晒多了个满些，这个这些看面这种领导了，这里啊，那线路了就是都这大家都了样了，这背了呀，这蹦刷的花头啊，这好喜好那因为看说那过去把去改用那这些那把去我这啥都是北路的方面说这了保证了，榴弹了那么子呢，这了这个好可以说为这，抓家都啊变成大家了晒。晒完了呢，看到了他满缺，晒给叫缺，所以说家伙变成也都没事了，不行，变成了晒了。这崩里我都就来到用了这杯酒上单了，杯其他北面说的，没想到了弄啊，都了这要有人这体验到时间了，那不就要真的那有家，都了也这要这个要有人这体验到希望这有就是那个是 military force。这因为啥都，啥了么我都是，给我头脑给我，来要出招了就被省得俺老晒加多，看到了他把钱，你那晒加多，做给叫那叫多钱，这叫我看到了他满户呢，接触都证明了，给我搞是了保证的呢。去这进来了，啥的我过因这进门领导家，我过那么来腾背腾高些，那这个我手里家了，这家了说我腾以后呢，这些手里家了，希望腾这手里家了，希望腾背这个好走，要叫把鸟叫那少手机高路几还也老。那这样那这里是谈那个不谈个不都那样，都了有一些谈的到肉，都了这还这家要那个要容易家，就都了这I don't think the long government are stupid，不是啥的了管到多，和 Human Rights Council 那样的 Human Rights Council 这次都唔好听蒙大了，老有希望，那个蛮老有希望 ，I don't think so。来人也好那这次了，这来人去多呢，来人可以哇，到这来去哇好那这他说了以后都这么老上的，那来包的人家都说看了，还也都这么老着呢，好那路都这次了，这个整件没说，到这那家登门呢门通了，那家来谈了，这 evidence 呢都通了，人家没说了，来人去没谈见的呢。按照也做差不多选节目说讲到是都证明了啥，那然后那这几件那可以我是，但寻到有寻到要地套，个内啥，你知道吗？路内，就那Human Rights Council有在那家朋友都啥的，都是用了路套的那都啥的，都了有了要弄掉了那么不啥，也背着啥，也背着俺们他们样。 đó mà lúc bé bây giờ bé thì nó bé chỉ ra nữa đóตัวbéตัวchoตัวlúc xong rồi rồi nhữngตัวแบบchỉ bao de béยังnăng力ตัวbé里接是นู่นเราbéตัวเราเราbéชิม着คนนี้มันสอนใจกันอย่างจะละตูตรงเราจะbéน่ะจะbéชีวิตชาbéชีวิตรู้เห็นอยู่เห็น包的人为家ใช้คำเชื่อตัวนี้น้องเห็นว่าให้เศร้าเห็นว่าชิกาก็ชิตัวจะอยู่เห็นตัวเสียอยู่เห็นตัวท่านกันเสียลองดิสตอเลยก็ชิตัวนี้ไม่ใช่น้ำร้อนตัวชิอยู่เห็นซาท่านเลยเสียเกี่ยน่าจะดีจ้าละมึงนี่น่าแต่เขาเพียบไปยินปอชิเชิงนี่น่าตัวเราอย่างยินตาลูนี่น่าตัวไปเลย这里解释这种文化或是的，是的，老母母给工地，那是要一样的话，你呢被成要我母晒，我的梦还啊，就长度底物了，要老那底物了，要长度底那了，要老那底那呢，都是我母晒，硬的呢，中高的呢，你需要的呢，包还得要必须要我们做好这个应了是。那这因这些这有时的这个第二，这一天这是的保证的呢，是当着不要他是做是保证之后呢叫 process 那是让这专门上一招到他这个啥的有到更多些这个老友这来，doctor 这来，这也好要这我叫到那里保他的那叫么做人大做一杯大那，今天大家都上晒股这咯。从啥被都了有这路，不要，我这次我的一天还要假如有大有这路，我大过这还会叫路这路有大在那，像弄的被多的在那叫คนใหม่那，那体温被多的在那路有他这点了，被门人被红了天那是被说在路家被这包打呢，这些人那这，看到也好被莫给这些还这个地那么也叫 process， 那到 UN 还做新的 rights 还做 fake case，fake case 呢就不做梦，这人呢就做了有梦，我觉得明白做梦这人做背过所以这背要做做背可能是背是当干我包办的大家你做落地里我呢背是当干包做就呢背还是好 human right 要做背，那这背到家就背多了背就背母领导。是加入咗印度咪能到但是依家啲人咧就本嚟一啲人能到但是呢是各種包約對接做嘢，冇可能叫了孩子，你呢夢到日子被端的對啦呢這個對，比如我的希望真係，比如也被需要是，需要也應中包也夢到夢日子的哎呀被需要被年外年前夢到日子了知道了呢，對日子幫到幫偏咗呢，那是啦。找大家做那这个店。